Hello and welcome to Cinegears. Today, let's talk about regular maintenance for RC gimbal cars. Safety concerns always take precedence, so this guide will help you understand some key aspects of maintenance. Before every shoot, please remove the wheels and check that all the screws related to the suspension system are tightened. Applying thread lock is highly recommended. Next, clean and lubricate the bearings and ball joints. Lastly, use our special tools to tighten the wheel locks and apply thread lock as well.